Hey you guys, it's your girl Lan and I'm back. I know my first video I did for you guys, I did a skincare routine and I didn't introduce myself. I didn't tell y'all who I was or anything. Okay, so today in this video, you will know all about me. I will be answering some questions. A get ready with me video also. I will be doing makeup, something I don't know how to do for real, but we're gonna learn here together on this channel, okay? And I'm gonna be doing my hair and I'm gonna put on an outfit. You know, I do hair, okay? I went to school for hair. I didn't learn makeup. So today I will do what I can. Don't judge me, okay? So we're gonna be on here learning together. One day I will have someone on my channel to teach me exactly how to perfect it, okay? But today we're gonna try our best, okay? Okay, so my first question is, let's see, the first question is, what is my full name? My full name is Alandria Desiree Pierce, okay? That's the first question. Second question is, how old am I? I'm 24 years old. Okay, the third question, where I'm from, Mobile, Alabama. Okay, fourth question, how tall am I? I'm 5 feet, exactly 5 feet. Okay, fifth question, how many kids do I have and how many kids do I want? I have one little boy. His name is Rylan. He's 3 years old. How many kids do I want in the future? One more. Well, I want one girl. And I don't know when. It's definitely gonna be in the future because I'm not ready for that right now. I'm not. One is enough, you know. Okay, so let's get into this makeup, you guys. So don't mind my eyebrows because it's been a minute. So first things first, witch hazel. Okay, this is the kind I use. Now I have some wipes also, but they're dry. So what we will be doing, yeah, excuse me, I can't talk. Put some on this, you know, on there, and I'm gonna wipe my face, clean your face, you guys. This is not a learning video because I don't know anything about makeup. I don't want to teach y'all the wrong thing. This is just what I know. Okay, this is just what I know. That's it. It's all there's that. So y'all gonna be seeing me look over here because I got a mirror right here I'm looking in. Okay, that's that. Let that do what it do, dry up, you know. Y'all hear Rylan back there? I'm doing my hair too, y'all, so don't talk about my hair. Okay, so I got decisions. Yeah, so found y'all foundation. Oh wait a minute, pause. Pump the brakes. Ooh, I will be using this. I see it. Moisturizing. It's a moisturizer. So moisturize your face, ladies. Moisturize. This is important. Even when you're not doing makeup, it's cold outside. And your skin needs moisture, okay? Ooh. Makeup. Foundation. What is this? So, is this the brush that I use to... I don't know, but we're gonna see. What this come out to. look, y'all? How I look, y'all? It don't really look like I have any on, but I guess that's a good thing. Okay, so now, hold on. Now, you guys, we're gonna do my eyebrows. I'm tell y'all right now, I know nothing about no eyebrows. I don't know nothing about no eyebrows, y'all. So this is gonna be, ooh, this is gonna be something. But I'm ready. Okay. But I'm ready to do this. You feel me? So I know that y'all do like that. No, I don't want this. Y'all pray for me. Pray that I don't mess my eyebrows up. I know my cousin do this, but I just got up today and decided to do a video. That ain't how I really went, y'all. My best friend texted me and was like, you need to do videos. You need to get up and do your videos on your own channel. Because I have a channel with my boyfriend. And she was like, I need to get up and do some videos on my channel, you know. Because girls love the makeup and girls love the hair. Because that's what all I look at. In eating videos, that's what I look at the most, you guys. But who are your favorite YouTubers? I say B-Love, Erica J, Queen and Clarence, and I love light skin Keisha and her boyfriend Coco. I think that's his name. I love them, y'all. They are so funny, like for real. They're funny. Procrastinating is my bad habit, you guys. It's bad. That's my bad habit. And I'm working on it. I really am. Because I really have a lot of dreams and goals. I really do. And procrastinating, you won't get nowhere. Okay? So, I'm procrastinators out there. I hope I'm saying this word right. But yeah, we got to stop. We have to really stop. I'm real lazy, y'all. Well, I'm not going to say I'm lazy. I have a lot of things to do. I work. Well, I was working and I had college and I have a 3-year-old. And I'm a girlfriend. So you have to split yourself. I had to split myself 4 different ways. You get what I'm saying? So, yeah. So like, but I finished college. I went to cosmetology school, you know. I finished college in August. It's November now. I finished college in August, and I'm so happy. Didn't have my graduation yet. My graduation will be in May 2020. So be there. All my procrastinators out there, we will not be billionaires if we procrastinate, okay? And we're working on being billionaires. We're trying to be billionaires out here. Period. We are going to be billionaires. We're not going to say we're trying. We are going to be billionaires. And it's just that on aim. When y'all see me not making at least 1 or 2 videos a week, I need y'all to write me and be like, stop procrastinating and give us video now. But I'm not going to procrastinate anymore. Like, I'm taking it serious. I really am. Because this is something I really want to do. Okay, another question is, what is my go-to fast food? If you know me, yeah, nah. Chicken, period.
Hey.
Say hey.
Hey. It's me.
Don't he look like me, y'all? Say, it's me, Rylan.
I had to move. My mouth.
This is the 2 I show I have. It's MAC. I don't know if y'all can see it. They're MAC. Is saddle. This one is saddle. And this one is bronze. So I split my hair into pieces, 2 pieces, like down the middle, like that. What is your idea of a dream? What is my idea of a dream date? Um, no, I really haven't thought about that. I really don't think about. I mean, I done had the movies, not to eat. That's normal, right? The movies, not to eat. Stuff like that. That's normal. I would have to say, I don't know. Ideal date. Also, it's as long as it's a surprise. That's fine with me. I love surprises. I don't like no one to say. Well, I like someone to just come up and be like, put on something. Do your hair. Put on something nice. We're gonna go, on a date. I don't care where it's at. I like that's my dream. That's really my dream date. I like surprises. I don't like nobody to say, well, where you wanna go? It's not a date anymore. Like, come on now, y'all boys have to do better. Y'all have to do better. Like, y'all. I gotta redo this wig. It's so old. I don't know if my head got bigger or what. But I gotta redo this because it's annoying. But, what else was I supposed to say? But, yeah, I really don't have a dream date. I guess, well, no. I have a dream trip, though. I would love to go to Jamaica. That's so romantic to me. But, like, I like stuff like that. But when, like, Jamaica, when you go to Jamaica, you have to get in water and stuff like that. That's, like, really one of the, I don't know. If it's anything to do with water, I ain't gonna like it. I mean, I like it, but I'm not a water person. I don't know how to swim. So, yeah. Not gonna get in the water and die. And if something after me, they're gonna get me because I don't know how to swim. Yes, I'm 24 and don't know how to swim. And so what? That's another thing y'all know about me now. Okay. Celebrity crush. This is just a crush now, y'all. Not nobody I would go with, but I would have to say Chris Brown. There's a few things, about me. Yeah, I'm gonna be making more videos, you guys, on this channel because I really enjoy making videos. The part I hate the most is editing, but I'm gonna do it for you guys because like I said, I need 1,000 subscribers by January. I'll give y'all a whole month now. This is November. December, it's around the corner now. I need 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't already, go check out my skincare routine. It's really like how to get rid of dark marks because I had really bad acne. Like when I turned 23, I think. Yeah, I think it was when I turned. And what a lot of people ask me, a lot of people be like, some stuff don't work that they use. You have to use it every day. Every day, not every once a month. It's not gonna work. You have to use it every day. If not every day, every 2 days. Come on now. Nothing works overnight. Okay, so that's my makeup and my hair for today. Let's go get the outfit. Don't I look pretty, you guys? This is me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to go look at my last video, my skincare routine. And also, I need 1,000 subscribers by January, you guys. Thank you. Love you. Mwah.